Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Keokuk County, Johnson County, Northern Washington County, Southern Iowa County, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:33 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Deep River to near Lancaster, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for what cheer to North English, Kelowna, and Iowa City. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Iowa City, Sigourney, Coralville, North Liberty, Williamsburg, Kelowna, Solon, Tiffin, Wellman, University Heights, North English, Riverside, Oxford, Hedrick, Hills, Waucheer, Delta, Keswick, South English, and Parnell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 216 and 253. Interstate 380 between mile markers 1 and 9. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL61 in Cedar Rapids. The current time is 8:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time.